think I need to give you a head start.
So, it's
You go to here. Like, no. You go to where my nips are, not where they're supposed to be. Because my nips are supposed to be here. You just stop here, yeah? Like where my nips are. And then... Don't wanna say goodbye. Close the door. Ow! Wait, wrong. Sorry. Go back. Look at me. Walk faster. I don't know what I'm crying for. Nips. I don't think I could love you more. Much.
stay up.
Yeah.
Okay.
I farted. That's for the...
Bend your knees. Down more. Down more. Okay. Don't move. Your ass is out.
I know, we need to give this skeleton a bony...
Okay, because you're stepping into me. I can't, like, you know?
I'm moving like this and you just...
Don't move like that.
The behind the scenes videos. Nips! Wait, where do I start?
Then hip.